have our duodenum and our jejunum, and notice what this is held together with. See this membrane? That's called the mesentery.
The mesentery.
Mesentery. And that's why if you take the cat and you hold it upside down, its organs are all not going to all unwind and fall out.
It keeps organs together?
It's because, yes, the mesentery keeps them all held in place. Okay? I bet you've never seen a cat like that before, flying with its organs kind of semi-suspended. Then you have the last part of the small intestine, which is called the ileum. And then the first part of the large intestine, aka colon, is called the cecum, and that's that little pouch right here. It doesn't have an appendix attached to it like yours does. Then you have your ascending colon, your transverse colon, your descending colon, and your sigmoid colon down here. And if you stick your finger down inside there, that would be the rectum, which I know most of you won't want to do, which is fine. And then you have right here your urinary bladder. Okay. Now, if this were a male, there would be testes here, of course, and then there would be two tubes running up between the muscle layer and between the skin, and they run up here and then enter the abdominal cavity, and there would be little loops of ducts deferens here in the body cavity where those two tubes from the two testes then loop over and connect to the urethra so that the sperm can travel from testes to the urethra and penis. And of course, these are both female cats, and we've removed the uterine horns. What's left over here is an ovary, a little bean-shaped thing. That's an ovary. Okay. Now, see this lump of fat right there? There's something hiding in there. Let's see what we can find.
Baby?
Kidney.
You said they were pregnant, so I was looking for
We already took out
We
the
took out the
uterus.
babies yesterday, and I just said
This
we've
one
taken up.
was falsely pregnant.
She had a miscarriage?
No, like
She
Who
either had
knows?
them already or was two. It wasn't far along there.
Yep. Okay, there's the kidney. Okay. And your kidneys have a lot of fat around them because they are kind of gourd-like in that they're semi-rigid and they can fracture. That's why it's a bad deal if you get a shot in the kidneys in football or something like that. You can bruise one relatively easily.
So the fat protects it?
And the fat protects it, exactly. Yeah, I can't find, this cat's got an explosion here of the latex. There would be a tube that runs, right there it is. There's a tube right inside this mass of blue. Yeah, where'd it go? Anyway, there would be a tube running from here, from the kidney to the urinary bladder. But since I can't find it, we'll not worry about it. Okay, that's what you're going to be looking at.